Hey, I've had several people ask me, why would I want to do a YouTube premiere? So let's talk about how to do a YouTube premiere, and along the way, we'll discuss great reasons why you might want to do a YouTube premiere. Upload video, and then we'll go find a video we want to upload. Okay, so the video is uploading now, and okay, cool. I like the title of it, and of course you want to upload a thumbnail, so hopefully you have a thumbnail for your video. Okay, select. This is part of my morning show. Okay, I'll create it. We'll come back later. We'll worry about tags, that kind of thing, because right now it's some crazy tags, but after it does a transcription on the video, it'll say, oh, I know what you mean. So once you've got that uploading, see it's still uploading, you can go ahead and click next. Okay, so we get to here, we want to set up end screens. I recommend always setting up end screens. So I'm going to go and choose something simple. This one here is good. I like this one. It says best for viewer. And that's usually my best option on my channel is best for viewer. So I'll go next. And it's checking me for copyrights. So far, so good. Shouldn't be a problem. I'm using Epidemic sound. Alright, now, here's where it gets interesting. We'll set as premiere and pick a time we want this video to go. So, as I'm doing this, it's the 13th. I'm going to go ahead and publish it for, let's say 1:30. May not be a great time. If you have tools to tell you when the best time is, and then we'll click here and we'll say set up premiere. So what this does is you choose how long you want the countdown to be for. So what's going to happen is that it's going to play this video on a loop before it starts your actual video, and you determine how long you want that premiere to be. I'm going to choose 1 minute. And then I like to do something, let's see what contemporary looks like. So here you can kind of see what contemporary looks like. This is an interesting countdown. You can go through, they have sci-fi. Well, that's kind of cool watching the lovers and stuff, so we'll choose sci-fi maybe. So you need to go through and find one that makes sense for you. So I think I'm gonna go with sci-fi as mine. So I kind of like this, and I'm only gonna choose a minute because it's gonna send out a notification. I think a minute is more enough time to let your viewers get here so they can see what's going on. And so then I'll do save. So then I'll pick the time that I want to schedule it for, and then I want to be there when it premieres. Why? Well, that's the why part that we need to look at. First of all, it's a shared watch experience. You get to do live chat and interaction. So you're on the video, you just don't have your face live in the video. So it's a recorded video, and you're able to live chat, and anybody that's shown up in the because of the notification will see the video, and you can chat with them while the video is playing. They may comment and say, hey, I really liked you did this in that video. There'll be a countdown, a little bit of hype. So because the notification happened, you said, hey, it's going to go live in a minute or 2 minutes, or you can choose longer. Then they have a minute or two to show up at your channel on this video ready to watch it and enhance engagement. So let's say, for example, you're just not available to go live personally, but having this video, you can chat with people regardless of where you are, as long as you have an internet connection. So that's really helpful, and it's a great content strategy tool. Sometimes when I'm not going to be available to do a live stream, then I will record a video and then set it up as a premiere. And you can even use a premiere to play a short video before you go live. So if you time it just right, you can set up a premiere that happens, brings people to your channel, and then you set up a live stream that goes live. It's a neat way to do it. And then, so with YouTube Premiere, you can create a special event around your video. You can increase engagement and interaction with your audience. You can build anticipation and excitement for your content. Maybe, wow, he's coming out with a new video. This is exciting. And it's a way to experiment with a new way to present your videos. We're going to hit that schedule button right here. You probably want to take these links and share them out to people to say, hey, this video is going live at 1 o'clock. Come see me. And now, let's watch a live premiere. Except it won't be live because I'm recording it. That's how recordings work. So if you go look inside the YouTube studio, you'll see right here that it shows visibility as a premiere. And so it even shows right here. premiere. So that's going to be there until the video premieres. So you'll see right here if you turn notification on, and your viewers for your channel, subscribers to your channel, will get a notification that shows them, hey, so-and-so is going live in just a few minutes. And if you're lucky, your subscribers will show up and they're ready to see your video live. And then the premiere starts. And it plays the 1 minute of the sci-fi that I chose.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
And you can chat with those that are out there watching your video.
2, 1.
And then you'll see that your viewers got a notification that you are live now with your premiere. And you can then chat with the folks that are on your channel on this video actively watching it. It's that easy. You should try premieres. Try it. Thanks for watching. Bye.